Lillian, let's see you move your thumb. It's been less than 48 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Can you wiggle it around? Bring it up towards the ceiling. Great. Okay. How much pain are you having?
A little. It's
Just
not
a little?
too bad.
Okay.
Not too
Pretty good for less than 2 days after big
Yes.
surgery, right? All right. So it's a great option for this painful thumb arthritis. So here are the pre-op photos on this nice lady from Curaçao who flew to Miami with this painful arthritic thumb that we've been treating conservatively, and now you saw her motion within 48 hours after having this outpatient prosthetic arthroplasty or joint replacement, and she's flying home tomorrow. She can use her thumb immediately and without pain.